Welcome to qnawire.
Hi everyone, this is the problem based on head-on inelastic collision between the two particles. When collision will take place, there will be a conservation of momentum. Let us see here. Here it is given two lead bullets having the mass M1 12 gram, M2 8 gram, moving in opposite direction with the velocity 300 meter per second, and since they are in opposite, so another has to be taken negative 400 meter per second, and initial temperature to be 30 degrees Celsius. For A, we have to discuss the physical concept to be used to find the final temperature and change in phase, that is conservation of energy. And conservation of momentum. Now B part, applying conservation of momentum before the collision and after the collision. Before and after collision, that is M1V1 plus M2V2, because after collision both stick together, so both will move as a single body with velocity V final. So final velocity you will get M1V1 plus M2V2 over M1 plus M2. M1 is given 0.012 kg, speed is 300, 0.008 kg into minus 400 divided by 0.102 plus 0.008. So final speed we will get 20 meter per second. C part. Amount of kinetic energy transferred into internal energy. So amount of energy transferred into internal energy will be equal to initial energy half m1v1 square plus half m2v2 square minus final, so half m1 plus m2 v final square. M1 is 0.012 into 300 square, 0.008 into 400 square, 0.012 into final 20 ka square. So amount of energy converted into internal energy we have calculated. Now we have to find amount of energy to melt the lead. M1 plus M2 into C into change in temperature plus M1 plus M2 into latent heat of fusion. Now substitute the value. That I have to get mass here. M is mass of lead balls to be melted. It is equal to change in internal energy 0.012 into 0.08. Specific heat of lead is 128. Melting temperature is 327. Initial is 30. M into latent heat of fusion is 2.45 into 10 to the power 4. So mass of the lead melted is 17 gram. So out of 20 gram, only 17 gram gets melted. E part, temperature change during collision. During collision will be Q upon M1 plus M2 into C 1176 upon 0.012. So it is to be 459. So final temperature you will get initial temperature. That's all. Thanks for watching it.